Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to replace a PCV kit on a 2018 Mercedes C300. So let's get to it.
So this is what we need to do to replace PCV, one of those, on a 2017 C300. The intake manifold has to be removed. In order to remove this PCV insanity, we have to remove the engine mount. But to remove the engine mount, you have to remove the AC compressor. Right down there, already removed and put aside. Now the engine mount. And once we remove the engine mount, we may be able to remove the PCV. So now the mount has been removed. It's upside down, but you get the idea. This is the piece that we're after. We're trying to remove this PCV plastic something. Basically a crankcase vent system. Now it's finally accessible and ready to be removed. After the intake manifold has been removed, the compressor, the engine mount.
So now we're happy because we have just finished it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you never have to do this. Good luck.